Hi you guys, so today I'm going to be making spaghetti. So here I have some sausages, I have some water on the stove, and I have another pan to just make some extra sausage patties. I thought I was recording. Here's the noodles I'm going to be using, and some of this sauce. The noodles, these are hamburger helper noodles, but we didn't have any more of the hamburger helper, so I'm going to use it to make spaghetti. Okay, now the water is pretty much boiling. I'm going to add the noodles. Oh, I need to add some oil. Okay, here's the oil I'm gonna use. Here's the noodle. Okay guys, I have some paper towels on a plate to put the sausages on. Okay, you guys, some of the sausages are done. Just 2 of them. The rest are in the pan. The noodles are about done. I think the noodles are done. I'm gonna try one. Okay, you guys, the noodles are done, so I'm gonna turn the heat down to low, and I'm gonna drain the water. Okay, the sausages are done. I put some more in the pan. Here, the noodles drained. Now I'm gonna add tomato sauce and the sausages. Okay, now I have a sausage patty. I'm gonna put it in to the noodles. and tomato sauce. I'm gonna do about 3 of the sausages into the spaghetti. Okay, here's how it looks. Now I'm just gonna mix it together. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. Okay, now I'm gonna turn back up the heat to medium for the spaghetti. Here's how it looks. Now I'm gonna flip the sausages. You guys, I'm gonna add some sour cream to the spaghetti. I like to add sour cream or cream cheese to my spaghetti. So I added about this much, so I'm gonna mix it together. Here's how it looks. I'm gonna just get a lid and put the lid on it and let it simmer. Okay, all of the sausages are done. The spaghetti's on the stove. I'm gonna add about this much of butter. Okay, guys, the spaghetti is still on the stove. I'm gonna just leave it on the stove for about 5 minutes, and that's it, you guys. Comment down below if you guys would follow this recipe, and also comment some suggestions I should make. And thanks for watching. Bye.